My first pulse motor working. The small reed switch died quickly, got short. Now I put the bigger one from Soviet times. LED is put in series with the battery. Spinner has two magnets, same poles. On the bottom we have two coils, about 500 turns each, fixed with super glue, wound on a pencil. The battery, 10 ohm resistor to limit current, 1000 microfarad capacitor to store charge, reed relay, and here is this charging module and on-off switch. Coils are in series. Current about 10 milliamps. Reed switch is open, no current flowing. Now I put magnet and reed switch closes. And to start, just rotate in clockwise direction in my case. Spinner is quite robust, I can move it on the table and also lift it slowly. Can push it by hand, it will start to wobble. Sometimes reed switch closes more often and sometimes misses. When rotor is far away from center. LiPo charging module with USB-C connector and 4 LEDs. Spinner is sensitive to magnet alignment. If it is misaligned like this, it will most probably not work. Spinning rotor with quite flat axis. Rotor with sharp axis. Rotor with sharp axis.
Спасибо за книжку, посмотрю. Mēs kaut ko nezinām, vai nu mēs iemācāmies, vai atnesam to lietu. A tagad izdevās?
Inspiration came from this video. And this Instructable. One can make smart levitation, half levitation with magnetic bearing and support flywheels just in one small point. And some nano power motors. Different pulse motors, they are quite popular. General Ludic Science. I learned a lot about spinning tops from General Grain. He could spin a metal ball 300,000 rotations per minute and even more. A lot of good information. How to wind your own coils. And here about very record motor, low power on sapphire bearings. Laser Saber. channel. Diamagnetically levitated, superconducting, spinning top over magnet, and the same from AliExpress. We'll solder it to make something like this. Thank you.